In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount in Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the discount field, how to apply either a percentage or a fixed amount, and what to look for before you save your changes. First, head to your Zoho Books homepage and make sure you're in the correct organization. Zoho Books houses the Invoices module we'll be working in, and the steps are the same whether you manage quotes, invoices, or recurring invoices through this interface. From the left sidebar, open the Sales section. This is where all your sales-related documents live. Then choose Invoices to see your full list, drafts, sent invoices, and any that may be overdue or paid. If you have filters applied, clear or adjust them so you can easily find the invoice you want to update. Locate the invoice that needs a discount. Move your mouse over the invoice row to reveal quick actions. You'll see a small drop-down or More Options icon appear on the right side of that row. Click it and select Edit. This opens the invoice in edit mode, where totals can be adjusted. If the invoice has already been sent or partially paid, be sure you're allowed to modify it based on your internal policy. Some teams prefer making a credit note instead. For a simple price adjustment before finalizing, editing is the most direct route. Scroll to the totals area near the bottom, typically labeled Subtotal, Tax, and Total. Right beneath the subtotal, you'll see the Discount field. This is the invoice level discount, which applies to the entire subtotal rather than individual line items. If you prefer to discount only specific items, there's usually a line level discount field on each item row, but today, we're focusing on the overall invoice discount. Click in the discount field. By default, it often starts in percentage mode. Type the percentage you want to apply, say 10 for 10%, and Zoho Books will automatically calculate the discount and adjust the totals below. This is useful when you're working with standard promotions or across-the-board reductions, because it scales with the invoice amount and keeps your math consistent. As you type, watch the recalculated amount so you can confirm the discount lands where you expect it to. If you'd rather set a specific dollar value instead of a percentage, open the small drop-down next to the percent sign. Change it to the currency symbol to switch into fixed amount mode. Now you can type the exact discount you want to grant, for example 50. This is great when you've promised a flat concession, you're matching a one-time adjustment, or you're reconciled to a precise number. As with the percentage option, the system updates the total immediately, so you can verify the final amount before saving. A couple of quick checks before you commit your changes. Make sure the discount does not exceed the subtotal, confirm that any taxes are being calculated the way your business requires, and ensure the final total aligns with what you've communicated to your customer. In many setups, invoice-level discounts are applied before tax is calculated, but your tax settings and local requirements may vary, so always review the numbers in the totals area. If you don't see a discount field at all, your organization might have invoice-level discounts disabled in preferences, and an admin may need to enable them. When everything looks correct, click Save. The invoice will refresh with the discount shown in the totals area, and your printed or PDF version will reflect the discount as well. If you share invoices via the client portal or email, your customer will see the updated figures the next time they open the document. That's all there is to it. Open the invoice, head to the subtotal area, choose percentage or fixed amount, enter your discount, and save. With these steps, you can apply clean, consistent reductions without reworking line items or recreating documents, keeping your invoicing quick, accurate, and professional.